Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget video conference cameras. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget video conference cameras. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Communication, it's all about the details. A smile or a gesture will let you know what others think and how they feel. Because a successful meeting is not only about a perfect presentation, but also to engage with people and build trust to create better collaboration. Therefore, we developed Kandao Meeting, the 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Unlike the standard conferencing camera, Kandao Meeting encourages a smarter and more intuitive meeting experience for remote workers. It makes them communicate as if they were in the same room with the team, talking face-to-face. Kandao Meeting utilizes a unique 360-degree camera to make sure everyone is visible and engaged in the meeting. Rather than crowding around a tiny camera, now all the participants can comfortably sit in a conference room of any shape or size. By using facial recognition, the camera will automatically focus on the speakers, making the remote meeting seem more natural. Kandao 360-degree conferencing camera ensures you can see clearly. With an Ultra HD imaging system, it captures panoramic video at 8K resolution to deliver outstanding clear streams. It'll dynamically optimize the exposure and skin tones so you can look great on video in any light. In order to keep the conversation flow, Kandao conferencing camera places 8 omnidirectional microphones on the top to receive sound from all directions, even a voice from 4 meters away. By minimizing the background noise, auto-leveling voices, and locating the sound, the high-quality audio system ensures everyone can be easily heard. Kandao Meeting offers 3 modes for various conference scenarios. Discussion. The camera highlights speakers in turns with a 360-degree view on top to show the whole room. Presentation. The camera turns to whoever is speaking and delivers an exclusive shot. Global mode. 2 panoramic videos to show all the attendees. Combining the video and audio together, a remote meeting can be super easy to set up. You just need to plug in the USB and press to start. Kandao Meeting will directly connect to any popular video conferencing platforms that you like. Kandao Meeting 360-degree all-in-one conferencing camera. Make remote meetings smarter.
This is Kandao Meeting Pro, an omnipotent 360-degree conferencing camera for meeting perfection. Start video conferencing with simply pressing one button. And keep the presenter always in the center with smart tracking. Being unique with 4-in-1 design. It equips with panoramic lens, omnidirectional microphone, hi-fi speaker, and built-in Android system. Kandao Meeting Pro can be connected to a computer through USB cable, while can be connected to a displayer through HDMI cable. Built-in operating system with perfect user interface. Allows to install and switch between conferencing software. Equipped with resolution, 360-degree lens. Every participant and every single detail can be recorded without blind spot. Apply AI Intelligent Algorithm 2.0, which achieve efficient and accurate localization and tracking. 360-degree face recognition and autofocus for greatly improve the quality of remote communication. Equipped with omnidirectional audio system and hi-fi system, ensure high-quality voice collecting and clear output audio. Coverage with a radius of 5.5 meters, which is 2 times larger than the first generation, perfectly meets the conferencing requirement of most of the users. Provides multiple conferencing modes for different requirement. Discussion mode. Presentation mode. Global mode. And custom mode. Support both 1080p and 720p output, H.264 and Motion JPEG as encoding format. Kandao Meeting Pro is flexible enough to integrate with most of the conferencing software. Wi-Fi, RJ45 Ethernet port, USB, HDMI, and LAN. Provide Bluetooth controller for easily get start, power on and off, mode switching, volume adjustment, and so on are all available. Support external SD card for recording conferencing video. Functional but portable. It is always suitable for remote cooperation in all professions.
Last year we transformed small meeting spaces with the Meetup ConferenceCam. Now we're turning our attention to bigger rooms where you need more flexibility, smarter cabling, and expanded coverage. Introducing Logitech Rally. It's an extraordinarily flexible video conferencing system for medium and large rooms. Rally supports video conferencing applications from Microsoft, Google, Zoom, and virtually any other application that runs on a computer. Now the beauty of Rally is that it's modular. You don't have to worry about deploying and training on different systems just because of the room size. You just add or subtract speakers and mic pods to fit your space. The Ultra HD Rally camera delivers brilliantly sharp video, outstanding color, and just great overall image quality at resolutions up to 4K. But premium video quality is only half the story.
The quickest way to kill a meeting is poor audio. That's why we've designed the Logitech Rally speakers with crisp, rich audio that sounds perfect from anywhere in the room. Anti-vibration speaker enclosures prevent hard-to-solve problems like echo and camera shake, even at high volume and zoom levels. Everyone hates those awkward dropouts in business meetings, the ones where the system can't quite figure out who's talking. We designed the Logitech Rally mic pods to enable smooth coverage of conversations, no matter how quickly the speakers change or overlap. Rally analyzes the room 125 times a second using beamforming technology to focus on active talkers and auto-leveling to equalize louder and softer voices. And you can deploy up to 7 mic pods for complete coverage of up to 46 participants.
You don't need to worry about unsightly cable bundles or HDMI or USB extenders. To clean up the cable clutter, what we've done is design Rally with a convenient table and display hub. They localize connections, and then a single Cat6 cable connects them. Rally also features our revolutionary RightSense technology. Now, RightSense makes sure that your entire team is seen and heard perfectly every time you join a meeting, and you reclaim those lost minutes that you spent previously fiddling with remotes and settings. Right Light eliminates glare from bad lighting and optimizes color so everyone is seen in their best light. Now, our biggest innovation is Right Sight auto framing. Unlike voice and face tracking systems that ping-pong from one person to the next, Right Sight finds and frames everyone in the room so you can see everyone's expression and body language.
We're proud to say that Logitech Rally is our most premium and flexible video conferencing system yet, combining industry-leading video and audio with clutter-free cabling and a simple, intuitive user experience.
Plus, you get 24/7 tech support, software updates, new features, all at no additional cost as a Logitech customer. Logitech Rally. See better, hear better, meet better.
Hi, I'm Ziva Nissan, Head of Product Management for Video Collaboration at Logitech, and I'd like to introduce you to the Logitech ConferenceCam Connect, the portable all-in-one video conference solution for small groups and huddle rooms from 1 to 6 people. In the business market today, there are roughly 40 million huddle rooms worldwide. However, less than 3% are video-enabled, and busy offices often have the needs for portable, easy-to-use solutions. There's a real need for affordable video conferencing hardware that can quickly connect to multiple software platforms in order to support quality team collaboration and communication. ConferenceCam Connect offers this flexibility to businesses and teams, making it so easy to use in virtually any workspace. ConferenceCam Connect video conferencing offers sharp HD 1080p video with 4x digital zoom for a closer view of the details like expressions, nonverbal cues, and movement so you can easily understand everyone in the video meeting. The video conferencing also provides a 90-degree wide field of view with digital pan and mechanical tilt, a premium glass lens with autofocus, and 360-degree full duplex sound with acoustic echo and noise-canceling technology, so conversations sound crystal clear within a 12-foot diameter range. The ConferenceCam Connect speakerphone enables users to place audio calls from a mobile device using Bluetooth wireless technology. And to do this, simply pair your mobile device through the Bluetooth settings to connect, and you're ready to have a group call with 360-degree sound using your smartphone or tablet. Plus, ConferenceCam Connect is so portable that you can take the meeting anywhere and run up to 15 hours of audio calls and 3 hours of video calls on battery power. ConferenceCam Connect comes with a remote control, allowing you to operate the camera pan, tilt, zoom, and audio functions such as call answer, call end, volume, and mute during your meeting. And in addition, the remote covers the lens when the camera is not in use for added privacy. And like all of our solutions, the Connect works with virtually any video collaboration application. Overall, the Logitech ConferenceCam Connect is portable, affordable, and takes small group collaboration to the next level. For more product information, please visit logitech.com/connect.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you are interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.